Welcome to video number 5 of KDOT's Mastering Open Roads Designer series, the Survey Data Import training course. At the end of video number 4, we had completed the import of the first CSV file in the survey project. There were 6 others, so I paused the recording and imported those 6 others. It was the exact same process that we used for the first one. So if you're following along in the software, please go ahead and import those other 6 CSV files. And next we're going to take a look at the data we just imported. I'm back in OpenSite Designer and I've imported all my data files. We'll take a closer look at Explorer in a little bit, but you can see that I have all the data files loaded under my field book for the project. And the first thing I want to do now is adjust the annotation scale setting so that feature representation is closer to what I'm accustomed to. So from the drawing ribbon, I can change the annotation scale here. I'm going to choose 1 inch equals 100 feet. That's the traditional look to the 2D topo. Annotative scaling is something, if it's new to you, you can look for an explanation in other areas of our training. But you can see now that the point locator cells specific to certain codes look the same size as what I'm used to. So if I zoom in a little bit closer, you can see within a certain zoom scale, these decorators appear. And there's a set of decorators for each shot. I'm going to change back to let's go to the Analyze ribbon. We're still in the Survey workspace. And these decorators are controlled here in this central panel. And the ones that are visible for KDOT survey data are the point name, the field code, and the point elevation. So if I toggle off elevation, you can see those disappear. These decorators are temporary graphics. They are not permanent DGN graphics, and they're controlled, toggled on and off using these buttons here. So I think we're going to find it most useful to also toggle off names. It keeps things a little bit clearer, but it might be helpful if we keep the field code decorators on. You might notice there's a lot of extra graphics here from what we would normally include in the 2D topo file. So we will be showing in future workflow steps the process of filtering through and changing the display of some of these features so that we get just the graphics that we want in our 2D topo file output. But before we do, let's take a closer look at the data that we imported. Please continue to video number 6, where we're going to show how to review data in the Explorer dialog box.